This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Gage Dopel. Come check out this beautiful remodeled brick charmer in the heart of LaFollette. This gem has the character everyone is looking for with the original wood interior doors, refinished hardwood flooring, and newly installed crown molding. Other updated items include Anderson windows, HVAC, appliances, and luxury vinyl flooring. This home has an abundance of natural light that pours into the spacious living room, dining room, and the sun porch. The detached two-car garage is sure to fit all your ATVs and lake toys. Home and property taxes are currently filed as residential, but the home is zoned for commercial use, which makes this a possible business investment. Conveniently located just minutes to Norris Lake and ATV trails. This won't last long, so call today. For more information, review the details below or contact Gage Dopel at 865-687-1111.